लेट्स वेट फॉर 2 मिनट्स. 2-3 मिनट ही, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ वेट करूंगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. ठीक है. लेट एवरीबडी ज्वाइन. एंड टिल देन, each one of you, please inform to your friends also to join the class as soon as possible. It's not like is in fact immediately, not even as soon as possible kind of thing. Waiting for 3 minutes. Okay. 8:33 के आसपास है. 8:36 8:37 तक हम वेट करते हैं. देन वी विल स्टार्ट द क्लास इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ दिस, कि कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने ज्वाइन किया है, कितनों ने नहीं किया है. ठीक है. 2-3 मिनट के बाद स्टार्ट कर देंगे. चलिए, I have given enough time to all these students. Okay, now without wasting any more time, right at the moment, we are going to start the class. I'm sharing my screen. Everybody, please check is it visible or not, and please give me the feeds for the voice also. Is it properly audible or not?
Yes, sir. Audible and visible.
Yes, sir.
What we have discussed by the last class? Somebody remember? जिस स्लाइड में से जिसमें से स्लाइड्स डिलीट हो गई थी वो यही वाली क्लास थी क्या?
No, sir.
Unfortunately, we have deleted some slides. Was this class? No. Okay, fine. So removing null productions, we have explained. Removing unit productions, we have covered, and removing useless symbols, we have covered. Any problem in this? Have you tried these questions? What I've given to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem in any question?
Yes, sir. Can you explain that unit production question?
Tell me where you find difficulties.
Uh, i- um, I have got the answer, but I don't know if it's correct or not.
So you want to verify the answer. Wait, let's verify this. F derive I, T derive F or E derive T. These three are the unit productions. Okay. And जो finally reduced grammar है, that is, now check it. I derive A, I derive B, I derive IA, I derive IB, I derive 1 0, I derive I1. Sorry, I0 and I1. These these are the productions for I. Okay. Have you got the same one, Tejas?
Yes, yes, sir.
Fine. Check it for F. F derives E inside the bracket slash F derives A, F derives B, F derives IA, F derives IB, F derives I0, F derives I1. Are you getting it,
Yes, sir.
Tejas?
No, sir. This was incorrect. I I will rectify it.
Okay. Matlab you got your mistake, na? Or
Yes, yes.
is it like this that you are not able to understand?
No, 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 sir. I only use placed A slash B instead of I, but I have
All
not
should
placed
be yes.
I B.
Exactly. Fine. Fine. So rectify this, and in the next class or in the last of this class, again you can ask your again you can ask this question, and again we can cross check your answer. Okay?
Answer for T and E. Can you give?
Ha, sure. T drives T star F. T drives E inside the bracket. T drives A. T drives B. IA. IB. I0. I1.
Yes, yes, almost same, sir. Only that mistake of the previous.
And
Like
E is E plus T. T star F. E inside the bracket. A, B, IA, IB, I0, I1.
okay,
Okay, no problem. Solve it once again. Still, if you want to cross check your answer, we can do it. Again, if you want to ask your doubt, we can do it. Okay,
okay, sir. Okay.
fine. Anything else, Tejas?
Yes, sir. I have got rest of the answer also. Can we verify or
Sure. Check it for removing null productions.
uh, in this answer AS derives ABSE, BSE.
I'm telling
Okay.
you, compare with it. Okay. S drives ABAC, BAC, ABC, BC, double AC, AC, and C.
Yeah, yes, sir. It's
Hmm?
same.
Next, A drives AA slash A,
Yes, yes,
B drives BB slash B,
yes,
and C drives C.
yes, yes.
Done. और कौन सा क्वेश्चन है तेजस?
And the second one,
This will be giving you S drive ASA, double A, double B, and BSB.
yes, sir, same answer.
यूजलेस सिंबल्स चेक करने
Yes, sir.
तो हो गया होगा मेरे ख्याल से, उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं
Uh,
आनी चाहिए. देखो, दिस वन एक्स वाई जेड वाला जो क्वेश्चन है,
yes, yes.
in this question only one transition will remain, that is A drives XYZ, all rest will go.
No, sir. I think it's some mistake. Uh, three
Tell me
productions will remain.
which one.
Uh,
Z
uh,
drives
it,
ZY,
no, no. X derives X also will remain. No,
but X will become useless, no?
no, 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 sir. Look, that small X derives small x.
कहाँ? X drive is small
In
x.
second.
एक ओहो, sorry sorry
So,
sorry.
so X will become useful. So
No, no,
all
no,
X production will remain.
you are right, you are right. Actually I have written it wrong. I'm really sorry. This was mistake from my side. This was not, it was not like this. It was like X, Y, Z. Like that it was.
Okay, okay. So then X becomes useless. So we will
Exactly.
be remained with A derives X Y Z.
Ha ha. Ha. Only A drives X, Y, Z. You are right, Tejas. I have
Okay, okay.
written some wrong question. Okay. And have we got answer for this?
Yeah,
S
yes, sir.
drives.
Perfect.
Okay, fine. So shall we go further?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else apart from Tejas? Anybody else who have tried to solve the questions? बेटा तुम लोग का फेल होना तय है, समझ लेना. जो जो लोग क्वेश्चंस नहीं कर रहे हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू बी फेल्ड इन दिस एग्जाम. कोई बचा नहीं सकता तुमको. और ऑटोमेटा में अगर मेरे साथ पढ़ते पढ़ते आप पेपर निकाल नहीं पा रहे हैं ना, तो अगले सेमेस्टर आप बैक निकाल लोगे, भूल जाओ. आई जस्ट वांट टू वार्न एवरीबडी, if you are not studying at all, you will definitely get failed. And if you are not able to qualify automata along with me while I'm teaching everything, you will never be able to qualify the automata. Even after final year, you will not be able to take your degree from the institute if you will not clear your back. And unfortunately or fortunately, but I cannot spend any more time for this, for making you to understand how important it is. अभी समझना है समझो, नहीं समझा है नहीं समझना है मत समझो. This is your life, go to hell. What can I do about it? After saying so much, still you people are not getting this thing. Fine. Moving on to the next topic, that is normal forms. Now, first of all, let me tell you, basically normal forms represents normalization. So can somebody tell me what is the normal regular meaning of normalization? Can somebody tell me this? What do you understand by normalization? Or what is normal form?
Removing
You must
redundancy.
have, yes, 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 very good. Removing redundancy from the things. So removing unnecessary things is actually the normalization. Okay, now there's one very simple thing which you should clearly understand. Basically what happens in productions, what can be what can be redundant? Okay, let's understand this. Obviously, a lot of redundancy we have already removed, right? Now take this production. Okay, now look at this production. First of all, you can clearly see that all productions are in the form of CFG. Of course, yes. Now, can you find any useless symbol here? Check this. Is there any useless symbol?
No, no, sir.
There's no useless symbol. All symbols are either generating and reachable also. Now, can you find any unit production in this?
No, no, sir.
There's no unit production at all. Can you find any null production?
No, no, sir.
Not
Neither there is any null production. All right. Now, everything is perfect. As per the redundancy, everything is perfect in this grammar. But look at this grammar. Do you find something unusual, something which is not good? Can you guess it?
B is repeating in all. No, no, no. Okay. Z is not.
Let me tell you. Basically, all these productions are used in computing. Obviously, we know this. All right. Now, what happens? Length of production does not matter. Length of production doesn't matter. It always takes same time to access a production. Does not matter how long it is. It always takes same time. Now, what is the scenario here? If I consider that, let us say that one unit, and in order to be more specific, let us assume that this unit is a second. Although practically it is not second, it is in microseconds or picoseconds. But let us assume that if this unit is a second, then this production cannot generate anything until this production is not getting resolved. Yes or no?
Yes.
Got it? So this first production, ideally it should need only 1 second to get executed. But since it is dependent on this and 1 second it will take. Now, just after evaluating this, is it possible to explore this whole production? The first one? Still a no. Because why will be there? Until and unless all the number of productions are not resolved, this production cannot be resolved. So the production which should take only 1 second, in spite of taking 1 second, this will take 5 second time. Why this is happening? Why this Colaveri D? Because it is dependent on so many variables. All these variables are useful. All these non-terminals are useful. They are not useless. But the point is, there are so many, which is increasing the dependency of this production on different other productions. That is why it is going to take a longer time, and ultimately that longer time of execution will reduce the speed of execution. Got the problem? Even after having everything, being perfect in this grammar, still we have speed of execution is very less. Is everyone clear for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If somebody
Yes, sir.
wants to ask anything, you can ask me. Got it? So speed of execution is very low. Now this is something abnormal. This is something abnormal. So the by converting, in order to convert it into the normal forms, this process is abnormal, and that's the reason why we are converting it into the normal form. Okay, are you getting everything? So with the process of normalization, what's the process name? Normalization. So after having this normalization, we convert it into the normal. Just wait, give me a second please, huh? I'm just putting myself on mute. Wait. Yeah, back to the class. So the simple thing is, by using the process of normalization, we convert it into the normal forms. Now we should know what type of normal forms we have. So we have two types of normal forms with us. One is called CNF, one is called GNF. Let me tell you something. You know how I'm teaching you normal form. I'm telling you first the problem. If you notice everywhere, first I have told you the issues with the current topic, then I have created a connection in the next topic and the previous topic, and then only I move forward. When you will become teacher, you will find out how difficult it is, because in books nowhere all this stuff is written. We have to evolve so many things. We teachers have to evolve so many things to give you this easy explanation, and you people are not able to take its benefit. That's so sad. So well, I should not say this, but seriously, the people who have not attempted the last class questions, shame on you guys. Shame on you. Even after getting failed in your midsem one, still you are not doing questions. Still you are not doing questions. Shame on you. So normal forms are two normal forms, CNF and GNF. This is called Chomsky normal form. This is called Chomsky normal form, and this is called Graybeck normal form. Got it? This is Chomsky normal form and this is Graybeck normal form. Okay. Now let's start with this Chomsky normal form. So obviously the problem itself have told you that what can be the issue with the regular grammar, and that should be solved. Okay. So let me describe the Chomsky normal form. What Chomsky normal form says, it says that only two type of productions are allowed to write. Okay, just give me a second please, huh? Yeah, so the simple thing is Chomsky normal form says that any production must be in one of the given format. Any production must be in one of the given format. Okay, only, in fact, any production must be only in one of the given format. Okay, what are those formats? A variable derives exactly two variables. Got it? One variable drive. Please make sure that you remember the difference between v star and v. V star is any number of variables. V is exactly one variable. All right. V star is any number of variables, and v is exactly one variable. And I have written here V, not the V star. So you should be very, very clear about this thing, that here I am explaining only two variables, not multiple variables. That is one form. What can be the second form which is allowed? V derives T or VT. Okay. Either 2 VN or 1 V2. So what you can say, that only one of the two forms is allowed. One variable should either derive exact two variables or exactly one terminal. Only these type of productions are allowed as per CNF. What is the benefit? The benefit is that all these kind of things were like the issue which we have discussed. Why this was coming? Because plenty of number of variables are there. So by writing this form, what we are restricting that none of the production will be dependent on more than two variables. Therefore, like you see, what is the problem? It was dependent on five variables. That's why 5 seconds of time was required. But if this production will be dependent on at most two variables, then definitely maximum time required to get the yield or get the string out of this production will be 2 seconds, or a maximum 3 seconds. Not more than that. 2 seconds will be required to explore each variable, and 1 second will be required to explore this production itself. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
सिर्फ तेजस ही बोल रहा है यस सर,
Yes, sir.
बाकी लोग का क्या सीन है? Fine. So now let's have some example of doing this. Okay. So what's the example? Just give me a minute. Huh? Let me get my book for showing the example. Haji. So let's start the class. Everybody is connected.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here I'm gonna give you a question, okay? And from that, like that CFG has to be converted into the CNF, okay? So let's have the question for this. One example we are considering. Write this grammar along with me, okay? S drives BA. Please write this grammar along with me. Make sure to write it properly because I'll not be giving extra time for writing this. AS slash A and then B derives A double B slash B slash, not slash B slash, it is like A double B slash BS slash A. That's what your grammar. B A A B B double A A S A A double B B S and A. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay. Now try to convert this grammar into the CNF. Can somebody suggest me some idea? What can we do? Like, first of all, can you please tell me that what are those productions? Obviously, you should be very clear about this thing that all these productions are the separate productions. For example, we have two productions here, S drives BA and S drives AB. So, like that, you have to consider all the productions. Now, can you at least tell me that what are those productions which are not in CFG, which are not in CNF, which does not
B double A.
satisfy
A
B
derives
double
B
A?
double A.
Okay, A drives B double A, certainly. That is the one which is not. So let's mark it. So that is the one.
And B derived A
B
double
derives
B.
A double B.
B drives A double B. What else? What about this? Is it in the form of CNF? Both things are written in front of you. Just check it up. ऊपर ही तो लिखा हुआ है. CNF का form क्या है? Check out. What is allowed in CNF? Tell me.
Two non-terminals or one terminal.
So do you have exactly two normal non-terminals here?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
What is there? One
One
terminal and
terminal and
one
one non-terminal.
non-terminal. Is it allowed in CNF?
No, no, sir.
Of course not. So this is also the production which is not in the form of CNF.
No, sir. AB is not a form of CNF.
Obviously, AB is also not in the form. It
AS,
is not
AS and
also.
BS.
All these productions are not in the form of CNF. So we are supposed to convert them. All right. So what can we do to convert them?
we can substitute like in S derives BA, we can put AS value like smaller.
Then what? We will have two non-terminals. Are we allowed to have them?
Yes, yes, sir.
No, we are not allowed. Oh, sorry. We will have two terminals. Are we allowed to have them?
Oh, okay, okay, sir. Two terminals, sorry.
Two terminals will be there. What should we do? What do you want in this place? Can you tell me? This is terminal. But in place of this, what do you want?
Non-terminal.
Non-terminal. So if another non-terminal I have, which is producing this then can I replace this terminal with the non-terminal?
Yes, sir.
I need this answer from everyone. Yes, sir, from everyone. Either ask your doubt or say me a yes, sir. If
Yes,
I
sir.
can simply get this one, like I have simply produced B from CB, then can I replace CB here? So can I really write CBB? Sorry, CBA. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can do it. Okay. Now start doing it. Try to convert this whole grammar in the form of CNF. Start doing it. Obviously, if you can replace one non-terminal, like one terminal can be produced from one non-terminal. So you should be clear about this thing also, that non-terminal is not restricted to produce only one terminal. Non-terminal is free to produce number of terminals as non-terminals as well. So if I want to produce two non-terminals, let us say, from one terminal, can't I do this? Of course I can. Like CB can produce one B or CA can produce one A, we can also produce double A from one non-terminal, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Try to do it as fast as possible. Take 2 minutes and convert this whole production in the form of CNF. Start. 9:20 it is. By 9:22 I will see the submissions. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simple. What we can say, CBA. Here you can say CAB. Here you can say A derives. Obviously, in place of B, we can write CB. And for double A, let's have another variable Z. Okay. Here I will write CAS. Here it will be A. Here it will be CA.
CAE.
And for this,
Right.
you can have another variable, whatever you want. The variable name is depending on you totally. There's no problem at all. CBS, and here it will be A, and you can write further production. So CB is deriving B, CA is deriving A, your Z is deriving double A, and your Y is deriving double B. That's it. Now you can see all the productions are in the form of, this is generating single terminal, this is single terminal, two non-terminals, two non-terminals. All productions are in the form of CNF. So that's how to do the questions for CNF. Okay. Now those students, if one question was not enough to make them to understand this or to practice this, let me give you one more questions. All those students, obviously everybody, not only those students but especially those students who were still not pretty good with the question, they can try this one. Not right now, at your home, okay? After the class you should try this, and still if you find any issues with the questions, then you can discuss it with me anytime, okay? So we have 1 double A, then we have 0s, then we have a 0 here, then finally we have B, and with this we have 0 double B, and here I have 1. You can try this at your home, okay? And if you find any difficulty, then in tomorrow's class you can ask this one, okay? Fine. Now it's 9:24 already, so let's move to the attendance first. If we will have some time, then we will discuss that, discuss further topics. Else we will just take, although 9:24 it is, it will take time to take the attendance. First let's cover up the attendance, then I'll talk about further topics if it is possible to take. TD1 17 September. My screen must be visible to everyone. So I want all TD1 students from the first column. Mark your
Yes, sir.
attendance.
Visible.
First column students, start saying your roll numbers for the attendance.
8.
Anyone
15,
else?
sir.
15. Anyone else from the first column?
Sir, 2.
2. Anyone else? और कोई है पहले कॉलम में? सेकंड कॉलम जिसका अटेंडेंस होता जा रहा है, मेक श्योर कि आपका अटेंडेंस लग चुका है, एंड इफ योर अटेंडेंस इज ओवर यू कैन लीव द क्लास.
80.
80. Anyone else?
9. 4003.
400. बेटा जोर से बोलो,
4003.
तुम्हारी आवाज पता नहीं 400 के आगे आ ही नहीं रही है, क्या बोल रहा है? हिंदी में बोल.
Sir, 4003.
ये अब कैसे आई है, पहले कैसे बोल रहा था? और कोई है इस कॉलम में? Anyone else in this column? Fine, next column.
Sir, first one
09.
002.
Done. इसको कहते हैं अटेंडेंस लगाना. It's quite clear and evident. क्या बोल रहे हैं? Anyone else for this column? Next column.
03.
4011.
13 तो नहीं है इसमें कोई, इस कॉलम में. Done with this column. कोई और है इस कॉलम में? In fourth column, is there anyone else? Fine. Fifth column.
6.
04. 002.
13.
4019.
Fine. Last column.
001.
001 or
7.
7. Anybody else? Done with TD1 students can leave the session. Now moving on to TD2 students. I hope only TD2 students are present. All TD1 people have left the session. So can I have attendance from TD1, TD2? All first column people from TD2.
4012.
Anyone else for the first column? Fine. Second column.
4024.
4047.
Anyone else for the second column? Anyone else, guys? Fine.
Sir, sir, hello.
Wait, wait, wait. Yes.
The third column,
Yes, tell me.
4038.
I'm just coming to that third column. Don't worry. Anyone else for the second column? Fine. Now move to the third column. 4038. Who's next? Anyone else for the third column? Fine. Fourth column. Fourth column people. Say your attendance fast. Please don't waste my time. Fourth column students. Anyone present? Fine. Fifth column. Fifth column students. Anyone present? Fine. Last column.
4031.
What's your name?
Hiba.
4031. Anyone else? Fine. Leave the session. Done with the attendance.